Yenina. Guys, it is at this particular juncture that I have decided to move to Mzumbe. Watching this show is not enough anymore. From the TV, I need to be there. I need to see their faces. I need to be in their presence. I need Kokflow to bestow upon me the investigative commentarism that I am doing. So, mina, last year, I told you to pack. Lerato Khanyako's husband is buying the world. Natul. This time I'm telling you, pack. We are going to Mzumbe. Oh, you pick up on the family. Painting. Oh yeah, they're gonna need it for school holidays when they go to their father. But can't you buy them a new bag? Do I have another bag? What happened to my bags? Did I give them in the divorce? What happened to my bags? Gyan, amukela kwinkqubo yami bomtabaka dad, bomtabaka gogo, bomtabaka auntie, bomtabaka sissy. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram. So please follow your sister. Happy Thursday, everybody. Another day, another stembu, another Mseleku lie, another wife telling him what to get down. Hey, before we break it down, don't forget that I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. Your host, your MC, Mshado wako uzoba great, umcimbi wako uzoba more amazing with me in it. Okay, hit me up, unswareka mukhala, titi pote. No, please. You know, if they accepted me in those auditions, I would have been on your TV screens but they said my height, they said a who, they said a what. So now they can keep it. I have my own channel with a 1 million viewers every second. I'm manifesting. Hi Nina, the latest episode of Utano Nestembo. That one of Musa is doing things very shady Kali. I now know where he takes it from. Even his family is enabling him. What in the gog flow of disrespect is happening? Guys, Umusa lied to his wives, 3 of them, and said that this is Mcimbi Wogbonga because he was under the hospital with no life cover and he woke up. When he woke up, he felt the spirit of thankfulness. Khanti. There was more to the Mcimbi. In this Mcimbi, this is where he wanted to introduce wife, girlfriend, concubine, person. Number 5. He wanted to introduce number 5. Okay? But the other girls were not aware. This is where he wants to do it. Makumalo, I think she had an idea. She knew it. Because Umusa thought Makumalo was always in his corner. Umakele definitely knew about it. But that one of Mayeni and that one of Mangwabi, they were in the dark. Stevie Wonder, okay? Anyway, so the Mcimbi Vele, yeah, it happens. They go to the Ndumba, the Msamo. They go to the Msamo. That's where they go and burn the sage and they talk to their ancestors. Not Musa talking to Gokflo and saying Gokflo Sne is up to here. Mpumelelo is up to here. He is up to here with the kids, okay? He's telling Gokflo what. He's also thankful for his life, whatever. Matele is the only wife that is present at this point in time, right? They talk sharp. Then Mcimbi happens, and this Mcimbi is happening in Mzumbe. The other wives start arriving at 2:30, okay? Like they come as the guests. Musa is pissed to the level of pistosivity. Do you think Mayeni cares that Musa is pissed? Oh no. The other wives start coming in as kids. Why Musa? Pum. Fine, and then now the Mcimbi starts. Everyone is seated. And then the speaker of honor, the one uncle stands up and is like, we're gonna go outside the yard to be introduced to a special guest. Number 5. And then also Musa, in front of the whole family, Musa. The way I'm beg on my con. Guys, in Dota may be this team. In Dota may zot. Not to Musa, akazothi. He must be. He's not. Anyway, Musa and his golden crown stands up and tells the family he feels disrespected by his wives. Musa. The girls stand up one by one and they start telling him.
Bonga abantu abadala makuthi khona okunye ongale kwalokho ngoba uma cela ukuthi uyazi mhlambe umthombeni nawe uyazi mhlambe sicela confirmation iphume ngakubona because I don't think thina la ekhaya siyazi
uma khumalo ever since isithe sizothula unumber 5 ujikile vele uma khumalo akasahambisani nami singasemumba yena usengaphambili so akungithusi kakhulu ukuthi she's the first person object.
As for umakhumalo ngiyamangala kakhulu ngoba ubabakhe uma ngimbuza mina wathi akanayo inkinga umakhumalo. So nalapho ke futhi engimangeleni kwami angikaze ngimuze umakhumalo ephawula mayelana nalolu daba.
Ngicela ukuphakama seklasikhaza nje ukuthi kukhona abangekho right ngalesimo okwamanje. So bengicabanga ukuthi amathombeni ngicela ukuthi alalele imiyalela utshelo umthombeni then sekuyobonakala ukuqhubeka phambili. At this point, one, I'm disappointed umthombeni ukuthi he lied. Okwesibili, I'm disappointed ukuthi umthombeni uletha abantu bakaduma ukuthi bazos-disrespecta la emzini wethu. Okwesithathu, I feel like umthombeni nabantu bonke balakaduma abasiboni as amakhosikazi sibona as opopayi. Wesifo angisana ndaba nje nokuthi kwenzakalani whether ngikhona le mcimbini noma ngikho. Nothing matters to me right now.
Imagine Tobile. I was shook. Tobile, it gets worse. Mayeni.
Sanibonani no. Sibingelele nangindaba ezitha Thombeni njengosekela sihlalo. Ngicela ukuqale ngiphendule wena nje. Ukube ziyaqala umthombeni siqale sibuyele la kwisimo sakhe ukuthi siyambona sokuthi akekho right. Okwesibili yebo ikhona indaba le ayibekayo ayishoyo ukuthi angazi nomuntu afuna ukunibonisa yena ngaphandle umakhumalo ushilo ukuthi namhlanje bekade kunomcimbi njoba sila sonke ngibambele yanto engitshelwe yona le enye into bengingayazi ngoba bengingatshelwanga yona so ukuxubaka izinto ezingafani I think leyo nto izosibuyisela emuva thina uma ngabe nina senihambile namathombeni abantu abazosala la ekhaya banese umthombeni ila makhosikazi woma u4 uma kuukuthi bekunento mhlambe olunye uhlangothi lufihlelekile ukuthi kunesimo esifana nalesi ebesingasazi umcimbi kanti bongale ndaba bekufuze ngabeke ibekwe obala naye angayenzi beyisurprise kuthina sonke akekho umuntu ke ozonixosha la ekhaya ngoba nina nizela ngoba kunomsebenzi kodwa lento ayiveza manje ukuthi ifana nento engekho so uyadlala ke kule nto anixoxelayo nisuthi ifana nento eyijoki
ngabatshela ngenkathi sine meeting esiphakhe ukuthi kuzobe nomcimbi umayelana naye so namhlanje ukuthi abantu abasayazi yonke lento nami like angikho right ngempela angazi ukuthi ngizothini
kodwa ke phela uma ukuthi ke nina ke benivumelene ngokuthi nizodlala ngathi uthiwe kunomcimbi omunye kanti nina nizothi mase nifikile wena budvukile bese wena ufika uqale enye indaba wena budvukile base kula ekhaya ukhatha Mseleku wena nabafazi bakho nizofika ube right nabakho phambili hayi ke cha musukuyenza lona
wasinda
usidisrespectile kakhulu kahle akahloniphanga igcekele kakhulu flow ngokuthi ame kanje yayana bekufanele ukuthi makuthi ingqondo yakhe isebenza kahle akubona ukuthi no mase ngabe sikhuluma ukuthi kanti kwenzakalani la ekhaya mase yathola ukuthi kwenzakalani bese emva kwaloko iyabuya kodwa ngoba kusho ukuthi uyadelela noma ubuke wadelela leli ekhaya wasenza kanje
Yeah, yeah, it's really over. It's really over for Umusa. The unity that he wanted is happening, but not happening in his ideological manner. It's actually happening that the wives are now united with each other against him, against this one. He says he's turning 50, but he has an internal shutdown that is up to 166 years old. Musa, is this worth it, Putwami? Like, mostly we won. They're in Gokflow's corner. Do you think this is worth it? Like, you wanting to have number 5 so bad that your wives, they don't sebenziso you basically. So what can two must do to happen? What must shan't to come legally happen? Mina ngabe nguwe ngabe ngiyacima. No sex is with this. No new sex is with it. Okay? Guys, even give unko imnandi, but I give him nandi ngalendlela ukuthi uxabanisa ifamily. Amusa toxita sham that you unplug before you unplug. Put unplugged session. Okay guys, tell me what other shows you want me to review. Other people said I must review Mami Club, but Mami Club I'm gonna break the camera when I talk about Mami Club, but if you want me to do it, I'll do it. Tell me in the comment section down below. And if you stayed this far, thank you for watching. Okay, I will see you guys on the next video. Okay, sharp.